Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, for brochure of one of the hotel along the beach side. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And this is my subject and it's blur, but well, pending shot. Well, I don't know how it's going to turn out. I want to try to make some kind of illustration from these two images. Well, let's get started. I'm going to change blend mode to find out something interesting image as always. Overlay. Pretty light image. Usually this luminosity makes some kind of pastel colors. Well, shadow colors of the flag here, yellow, and not much on this ocean, huh? Well, even so, I'm gonna use this image colors. Okay, make some group. Then duplicate this group, then flatten this image first. Now this is too thin colors, so I'm going to duplicate this layer and one of the top, this, change this image, change blend mode to multiply. Gets a little bit dark, so I'm going to merge down, and then again I'm going to make duplicate again. Let's see. Multiply. Well, even though we see some grains, but let's go for it. Just make it multiply, then merge down again. Yep. Now we see some image so clear. Okay. Now let's see. Well, move this pencil drawing type image and original image. Get out of this group. Now we don't need any of this. Then change back this blend mode to normal. Just for keep. Just turn it off to keep it. Now I want to see how much I'm going to show this original image. By the way, I'm going to change the rename all three layers. Alright, all the names changed. Okay, now, I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image layer, go up and use this luminosity effect layer as a base. So, let's make mask sketching to bonobo chalk. This is first time to use this shale brush, calligraphy to shale brush. Well, I don't know about this. Okay, let me see others. Maybe I should paint first and I'm gonna make mask or something. Okay, I'm gonna add layer here. Now I'm gonna paint. First, I want to paint background with use watercolor brush. Let's see, overall ocean image. I'm gonna paint on this layer, but I'm gonna looking at this original image. Okay, I'm going to tone down to see the image, but paint on this layer. Now I'm going to change brush to glowing. Now let me see if I change this blend mode normal to color, what it looks like. Subtract. Pretty interesting colors, huh? Well, linear burn. That's interesting. I want to just leave it there. Leave it this linear burn. Then I'm gonna continue to add some colors. Okay, I want to duplicate this original image. Then move this one to go all the way. So then I'm going to change this original blend mode to vivid light. That's interesting. Okay, just leave it vivid light. Then make mask. Now invert mask. I'm going to reveal this with bonobo chalk. Yeah, I guess bonobo chalk is easy to blend in. Want to show some kind of movement, huh? Fast move. Let me see other brushes. Okay, now I want to add some. Okay, I may smudge on this. This is one maybe. Luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna smudge. Little points may be fine. Let's see. Yeah, it'll work. Take this black dot out. Yeah, some dark ones. Not everything. Okay, that's about it for smudging. Now I want to add some white. Where? Let me see if I can add white. Well, I guess that's it, and this is original image, and I made luminosity effect layer using pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to luminosity image to get this saddle colors. Then I add some with this mask to get original image on this luminosity effect layer. Then I add original image, change blend mode to vivid light to get this sharpened image with mask. Now I add color, change blend mode to linear burn, which makes so much colors, saturated colors, to get punch. Well, that's about it for this image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.